Hello, students. One particular question that is always there in the mind of the students is that after the completion of their examination, should we be doing the paper analysis? Obviously, I always maintain one particular thing that during the examination, you should not be doing the analysis of the paper. Maybe just an overview, that's fine, but not to get into the solution mode. Obviously, there are reasons because the examinations still are going on, so therefore, you need not decode that particular paper. But post the examination, is it required that we should be doing the analysis of the paper? At least those students, for those students who have appeared the examination number one, and those who would be appearing the examination in the next upcoming attempt. For those students who would be appearing in the upcoming attempt, they should definitely do the analysis of the previous attempt paper for sure. So therefore, if supposing those who have got their attempt in November attempt, so definitely the analysis of the previous attempt paper needs to be done. How the paper, what was the trend, what was the kind of a question, the length, everything would be known, so they can have a better frame of mind for approaching their examination. But what about the case of those students who have appeared already? Should they be doing it? Students, I'll tell you one thing. If this would not have been a normal attempt, meaning thereby like it would have been the month of May wherein the attempt would have been made, then in that situation again we would have said that may not be required because it is already out, it's already gone. But this is a very unusual attempt because the attempt was in the month of July, and we all are aware of the fact that because it was in the month of July, therefore there is this kind of a situation that has existed where this examination being in the month of July, we have a peculiar scenario. And what is the peculiar scenario, students? The peculiar scenario, all of you are aware of it, and that is about the results would be somewhere in the first week of September, and then your examination would be in somewhere in the month of November. So in that particular case, students, if you see the time that you will be having at your disposal, if the eventuality says that you may not clear the examination, we'll take the worst scenario now. I always maintain one thing in this context. Whenever you go to this examination, you always take the best case scenario. You'll never think that I'm not going to pass. But after the examination, you should be becoming overcritical about this thing. So is there a chance that you may not clear your examination? And if there are, some papers would not have gone the way it would have been, then ideally you should be then preparing your examination immediately. At least those students who have appeared in the month of July, and through the paper analysis that we all do, if you finally conclude that your paper were not up to the mark, then in that case, please students, without wasting much of time, please get it started for the November attempt. You may be surprised that you may have cleared your examination, but still, was there any loss of this 2 months if you have studied for November? And the answer is no. But what if, God forbid, if you don't happen to clear your examination, then this preparation of this 2 months will ensure that you get that edge to clear your examination in the month of November at least. So therefore, students, this paper analysis should be gone through by all the students who have appeared for July attempt. I told you already that those who have appeared for November, who would be appearing for November attempt, they anyway will be going through it. But the students who have appeared for July, please ensure to go through to this particular paper analysis, which is important. In that segment, students, tonight I will be doing the paper analysis of the old course, and tomorrow morning I'm going to do the paper analysis of the new course. Tonight is 23rd July, 9:30 p.m. YouTube, I'll be doing one lecture in YouTube. The link of the lecture I'm going to give it to you in the description box. And students, tomorrow primarily would be the new course, and the new course, students, I'll be doing through a special class 10:15 a.m. for the new course paper analysis also of July 21 attempt. I will be giving you the link, and that link is in the description box. So all the students who appear for July attempt, they need to do this paper analysis for every subject. I'm doing for DT for all of you. And those who will say, sir, I have attempted in old course, shall I be looking for the new course paper? Yes. Those who say, sir, I have appeared for the new course, shall I be looking for the old course? Yes. Why? Because we have seen, students, that the paper, some of the attempt, I think that has happened in which attempt? Last attempt or so, the question got interchanged. For old, it was new. Not last attempt, it was November 19 or some attempt. It was there. They interchanged this thing. So what was asked in old now was asked in the new in the next attempt. And vice versa kind of a thing has happened. So therefore, irrespective of those who have got their old attempt, they will also ensure to see the new course paper. And those who have the new, they will ensure to see the old one as well. The link of this particular lecture, students, old course tonight 9:30 p.m. at the YouTube channel. Link I'm giving it to you in the description box. And the new course students and the new course paper analysis would be on 24th of July. Tomorrow, that is on Saturday at 10:15 a.m. That would be an Unacademy learning app. Again, the link of which I'll be giving it to you this. In the learning app, those who will be putting across it, please ensure to put the code CADS. For those lectures which are in the app, the code, referral code that you will put to the referral code from CADS. Okay? Do that, students, and I'll see you for the paper analysis. See you then tonight. Thank you very much, students.